Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into a project that mixes memes, GameFi, and actual on-chain competition. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's called Luxcoin or Lux, and it turns just holding a token into a live leaderboard game. So guys, before we get started, don't hesitate to join our community by subscribing, and don't forget to leave your comments below, and let's get started. So guys, look, meme coins are huge, right? But the issue is most of them don't really do anything except exist. They rely on hype, they pump, they dump, and that's kinda it. What Luxcoin is basically saying is, hey, what if we turn the whole thing into a game instead of a guessing contest? Like, instead of passive holding or random hype, they turn your holding behavior into a ranking system, something measurable on chain and transparent. So the problem they're tracking is, how do you make meme culture interactive instead of just speculative? So why it matters? This matters because people love competition, people love leaderboards, people love earning something based on strategy instead of luck, and Luxcoin is basically taking that idea and saying, alright, what if every 60 days the most loyal, consistent holders are rewarded automatically? No forms, no claims, just on-chain scoring. So it gives the meme token world a bit more structure, no financial value, just gameplay value. Alright, so what actually is Luxcoin? Let me put it simply. Luxcoin is a Solana-based MemeFi project that turns holding a token into a coin competition. Every 60 days, they run something called Hero Rewards, where the top 50 wallets get rewarded from a pool 1 billion LUX tokens. It's basically hold, score points, claim the leaderboard. Every 2 months, top holders get rewarded. Again, this is all game mechanics, not investment advice. Okay, so when you open the site Luxcoin.io, the landing page is super meme heavy. So you have the hero background, animated memes, countdown timers, classic Solana energy. The main menu includes home, about, leaderboard, tokenomics, community, frequently asked questions, buttons for buy Luxx. Okay, so they have token and join in the community. Okay, so the vibe is very GameFi plus memes plus competition. So you also immediately see a big headline, rank up, score high, win big, and the countdown to the TGO, which at the time shown is ticking down. Okay, what about the mission? The mission is pretty clear: turn meme culture into a rules-based, transparent on-chain competition. And the core feature are hero rewards every 60 days, top 50 wallets earn tokens based on their score, and second, score calculation. So for variables, they calculate your hero score using time-aware holdings, continuous holding duration, price efficiency of entries, and sell transfer assignment. So yeah, it's not just as simple who holds most wins. And thirdly, fully on-chain system. So the leaderboard scoring is real-time and transparent. The fourth point is live leaderboard. So you can see rankings updating second by second. And finally, no dev backs, no taxes, no VC allocation. The website repeats this often, so it's very community focused. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, so let's walk through how the platform looks. So the homepage, you see the meme animations, a buy Luxx button, and a countdown timer. There is also a section explaining the mechanics with icons for rewards, frequency, distribution time, leaderboard, transparency. Leaderboard page, this is where all the action happens. Live rankings, wallet addresses, scores, and you can see the top 50 and what their positions are. There's also a section for past winners showing how many tokens they earn. And finally, tokenomics page. So this page has the full supply breakdown, so we'll get that to in a moment, of course. And also community page, so links to Telegram and X, so social media in general. And finally, frequently asked questions, so super detailed explanations for every feature. Everything is very clean, very Solana style. You bring modern meme energy everywhere. Okay, now let me show you how users interact with the platform. So according to the website, users interact with Luxcoin mainly by getting Lux or WLux during the different phases. Second, holding their tokens in a wallet to participate in leaderboard scoring. Third, watching their hero score update automatically. Fourth, seeing their position on the leaderboard in real time. And 4 point is on snapshot day. Every 60 days, the rewards are distributed automatically to the top 50 wallets. Again, this is just describing how the system works, not telling anyone to participate. Okay, so be careful, please. Alright, so let's break down the numbers. Total supply is 100 million LUX, circulating at TGO is 7 million. Here's the full allocation. So public distribution, $8.8 billion unlocked at the TGO. LUX Hero Rewards, 45 billion. Distributed annually over 45 rounds, so 7.5 years. Each round is 2.22 of that pool. And creators and ecosystem, $20 billion. So 2.22% release per round, and marketing partnership 10 billion, so fully unlocked at TGO. Liquidity and stability 15 billion unlocked at TGO 2, and early public distribution $1.2 billion from the soft launching with WLUX 1 LUX equal 1.2 LUX. Okay, so the project emphasizes again no dev backs, no VC, and no taxes. And regarding the roadmap, so start in 2025 and moves into 2026. Q3 2025 foundation phase, early supporters, WLUX launch airdrop campaign, and Q4 2025 launch prep and TGO public sale venues, independent legal opinion, security audit, TGO and settlements, listing on DEX and TX. Hero Rewards round 1 begins, and Q1 2026 first cycles and exchange, so detail to be announced later. Okay, and Q2 2026 DAO and Builder tools. So this is when the ecosystem will expand. And also let me show you Whitepaper highlights. So the Whitepaper focuses on making meme culture competitive, rewarding loyalty and strategy, complete on-chain transparency, anti-manipulation score mechanics, a long-term 70.5 year cycle of reward distribution, and clear formulas for hero score and leaderboard calculation. So it's structured more like a GameFi rule book than a typical financial document. And here you can see the launchpad of the token. Okay, so the strategy game of holdings. So you can see here the price, 1 LUX is 0.0025 USDT. Here total supply, ticket size. Here you can see general subscription ends in 4 days and 7 hours. So you can see here the cap, committed, ST return, ST distribute. Here you can log in now. So just here, you can log in by Google or wherever you want. Okay, shows whatever. Here you can see increase cap. So if you want to, buy more token, you can increase the cap. Advanced KYC task. So just comparing advanced KYC to increase your cap by $1,000 USDT. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So here you can see event progress now where our subscription starts, and soon we get the token distribution and allocation results. Okay, and let's not forget their Twitter, their X. So here you can see their account, their followers. So they have 9K followers. You can see here their Twitter. So the latest tweets, latest replies, highlights. So I highly recommend to follow them to be updated on the latest news. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, Luxcoin is definitely one of the more unique MemeFi concepts out there. It mixes memes, leaderboard mechanic, competition, and transparent on-chain scoring in a way that feels more like a game than anything else. As always, this project, like any Web3 project, carries a risk, and everything you do should be safe, legal, and based on your own judgment. So I'm just explaining how the ecosystem works. But purely from a concept point of view, it's creative, it's bold, it's very Solana coded, and honestly, it's kind of fun to explore. Okay, alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and join us on the Telegram channel. And let me know in the comments which project you want me to cover next. And of course, if you want to explore more about Luxcoin, you can check out the official website and community links. I will drop all the link in the description, of course. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.